Hello, this is Alex from phpacademy.org creating this PHP tutorial for the new Boston. Now, we've already looked at an if-else statement which looks something like this. As this stands, it evaluates to true, so we're echoing out the text true. Now, if I was to start a completely new if statement, let's say I wanted to evaluate a few more things down the line. Now, let's create a number 1, and that's going to be equal to 10. Now we can create a number 2, and I'm going to create that also equal to 10. No, we'll just keep number 1, so we'll just keep number itself. So I want to create an if statement to gradually make a few comparisons with this variable. So if I was to say if number equals 10, so this is equal to 10, echo equal to 10. So as it stands, the variable number is equal to 10, therefore this comparison is going to be true, so we're going to be echoing out this text. So let's just test that in our browser quickly. Okay, equal to 10. Now what if I want to say, but hold on a minute, otherwise I want to make another check. So you've seen in my previous examples I've said else, echo, and we could, for example, say not equal to 10, and if I was to change this value here to 11, you'll be displayed with the text not equal to 10 because the variable does not equal 10. But let's scrap this idea of just going straight to else, and I want to say else if. So I'm basically combining if and else to make else if, and then I just do exactly the same structure and I do another block underneath that. So else if, and here what we can do is, before just jumping to else and saying no, this doesn't equal and this is evaluated to false, we can make another comparison and we can do another evaluation. So else if number equals 11, and we can now say equal to 11. Oh, if I can spell it. So equal to 11. Then what we can do is we can say else not equal, for example. So now what we're doing is we're saying, is the number equal to 10? If it is, echo out this text equal to 10. Otherwise, is this text equal to 11? And if so, we echo out the text equal to 11. Now remember, before when I changed this to 11, it said not equal. But now I've changed it to 11, this will be evaluated to true, or this here in particular will be evaluated to true, therefore this is going to be executed. So let's refresh the page, equal to 11. Again, we can change this up here back to 10, so it's performing this check here, and we refresh, equal to 10. But if we were to go as high as 12, we haven't got a check here for it to be equal to 12, therefore not equal. So this is basically, in a nutshell, if-else statements, and they're useful for just making a few more checks before you want to completely say nope, nothing's equal, else, and give the last alternative block to execute.